We were doing something different.
Doing history. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, I mean, a local historian was teaching about quilting in the South, and
yeah, and so they did
And I'm
different
French Canadian, so I
projects
keep up
each
with my French.
week.
All right, we're on the way to the Brown Trail. Slightly under 4 miles. Tannehill Historical State Park trail system with our ham in front of the camera.
Recommended by.
From Birmingham to Barcelona, Spain. And then we got on the cruise ship. Oh, okay. And then did a transatlantic. Oh my goodness. Back into New York. Oh, back into. So my! It was a 15-day cruise. No, it was great. We stopped. You know, we stopped to probably it rained about the thing she did this weekend, it was everybody was sick, piano, was in it, and so her,
Who knows the history?
well, I don't even see a flyer. There's not so much on this, but you see the water, and this is the kind of the furnaces. Yeah, we think that's during the Civil War. Yeah. They made the iron for the Confederate troops down in here in Tannehill.
cannonballs.
And Yankees attacked here too, right?
Probably so.
Yeah, they did. They came in here and messed this up.
Of course.
Damn Yankees.
I know. The evildoers from the north.
Yankees.
And
Scallywags and
the war of northern aggression.
Over the bridge. Look at that big iron piece of cross there was.
Let's do that then.
You're gonna vent?
Wow. She's pretty brave there.
Right, and then we went there, and there, and that dead end here, and then we want to go. Did we do like that? I don't remember going because we got to the yellow, and you said go left. I mean right, and that's left. It was a children's hospital, and they wanted to change my job description. I said, oh no, that's not what I hired on for. So I went home and applied for Social Security and wrote my resignation.
Boy, that is pretty water. Well, who wants to swing on the rope?
I would do that.
Well, I don't know. Is this a good place for your famous selfie?
Pig iron from Tannehill Iron Works was hauled by 18 mule wagons, 18 miles to the trailhead at Montevallo. There it was put on the cars of the Alabama and Tennessee Rivers Railroad headed for the Selma Arsenal. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Proof that one of us can read.
Wow.
This is an old
Slave
cemetery that we're defiling here.
I don't know.
Any names or dates?
Oh, I was just trying to look up the history of it. I know that, but the times and all that. When they died, and how they discovered it, and how it came to be.
Yep.
To the water reminds me of walking on that big hill at the lake, where you're looking down over that gully or valley or whatever you call it.